Joe, bring us back to that time when you first got hooked with motor racing, and who introduced that to you, and how did you
How
get
long
into
ago?
it?
Nung panahon ng Guapings, tagal na nun. I was one of the
So
if you remember the film Fast and the Furious. So isa ako doon sa mga hinuli ni Mayor Jinggoy in Green Hills. So I had the car prepared. I raced for bets. I used to race for bets. I was already an actor. So
So teenager ka pa noon? Hindi naman.
yeah, I was
Teenager?
yeah, I
3
was
decades ago.
yeah. Guapings. So I had a race car prepared for illegal races for bets.
Magkano, Joe, ang bets that
It varies because yan nag-iikot eh. So if you have 100 people there with cars, somebody will go around and
And collect.
anyway, that ran for 2 or 3 years until I was picked by Toyota Team Toms in 1996 to be a professional race car driver, and I learned a lot from that. That started my advocacy for road safety and to promote legal races. And since then, 96 until 2002 with Toyota Team Toms. And then I retired when pinanganak yung panganay ko, Andre now. So I remember my father telling me na okay na yan. Narating mo na lahat ng gusto mong ipanalo. Napanalo mo na lahat ng gusto mong panalo. So sabi ko, international, hindi na. Baka dyan ka pa matsambahan. May apo na ako, may anak ka na. So I retired for like 10 years, and then I decided in 2011 in preparation, sabi ko, pwede pa, why not try this international stint? And that's what followed. I launched Iliana Racing Team. I launched the Iliana Racing Cars, competed in Korea, nakachamba naman, nanalo. And then 2 years ago or 3 years ago recently, I tried rally with Rally Sprint, became the first diesel engine powered car that won in a rally in the Philippines. So yung beginnings ko were really underground until I shifted to professional racing, and then with the professional racing team, and now we're doing events professionally, and hopefully we can make it take off para maengganyo natin. Kasi I really believe that when we promote motorsport, anywhere, we promote road safety aspect of it, and there should always be a venue where it is legalized, sanctioned by the governing body, sanctioned by the international governing body. So ako, contribution din sa ating lipunan na, di ba? Doon tayo sa legal, doon tayo sa safe. Ayan.
Si Andre ba hindi naman yung pagka...
Mahilig. Ito nga, nagpaplano kami. We're setting up something so he can run.